Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install IBM Watson Studio with IBM, full guide step by step clearly. To install IBM Watson Studio, begin by visiting the IBM Cloud website. Create an IBM Cloud account if you don't have one. Log into your IBM Cloud account. Once logged in, navigate to the IBM Watson Studio page. Click on the Get Started button. You will be presented with various options for pricing plans. Select the plan that suits your needs. For first-time users, the Lite plan is often a good starting point. After selecting your plan, click on Create or Launch. You may be prompted to set up a Cloud Object Storage service if you haven't yet. Follow the on-screen instructions to create this service. Once the Cloud Object Storage is set up, proceed to the Watson Studio dashboard. Click on Create a Project. Choose a name for your project and fill in the required details. Select a project type, such as Machine Learning or Analytics. Click the Create button to finalize the project. Now, you'll see your new project dashboard. Here, you can add data sources, create notebooks, and manage your assets. To import data, click on Add Data on your project dashboard. Choose the data source, either from your Cloud Object Storage or other services. Follow the prompts to select and load your data into Watson Studio. Next, you can create a new notebook by clicking on Notebooks in your project menu. Select New Notebook. Choose your preferred development environment and programming language, like Python or R. Click Create Notebook to begin writing your code. Explore the various tools and resources available in Watson Studio. Utilize built-in tutorials for guidance on specific tasks. As you build your project, remember to save your work regularly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.